Welcome back to the channel, and another day, and the second carcass is now dry, so I'm just about to give everything a sand so that I can put the second coat of varnish on. So this will be with a relatively new 180 grit sheet, so everything should be nice and smooth. And once I've done all of these, with the doors and the shelves as well, the second carcass should be ready to do. There we go. Well, that's as far as I'm able to get this afternoon. At least I've got now the first coat on all of the project. I've sanded everything down. Next time, just wipe everything down quickly and then I can start with the second coat. So thanks ever so much for you coming along with me on this journey. And boy, has this been a journey for me. And I might have mentioned it in a previous episode, but I'm not sure whether I'll tackle a project of this size again for some time. We'll see. Anyway, and thank you very much for the comments that you've left me. I've really found them helpful. Hopefully I'm going to learn lessons from them. and we'll see how it goes on. So thanks for coming along with me, and I'll see you next time.